Welcome to my channel. In this video we'll discuss about 4 passive ways through which you can generate passive income online while you are sleeping. I'll prefer you to make these ways as a side hustle because these ways need effort and time in start. If you stay consistent, definitely you will get rewards. So we don't waste time. Let's move toward our first way. So our first way is YouTube. If you create and upload videos on YouTube, you will earn through ads, and if you will consistent in uploading video on weekly basis or daily basis, you will get a handsome amount from AdSense. But if you want to take a break for 1 week or 2 week, it will not affect too much to your account, to your channel and income. But if you take a break for 3 months or 6 months, it definitely affects your account and income, but you are still getting revenue from your old videos if still people are watching that videos. I think YouTube is a good source to earn. You can earn revenue because people are watching your videos. In short, it's a great way for passive income. You just teach any skill or upload any content that you have in video form and start generating a revenue passively. Number 2, sell online courses or create digital products. For example, you are good in any skill like graphic designing, photography, video editing or programming, etc. You can create courses in video form and sell it on different platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or you can create your own site for this. It's also a great way to generate passive revenue because a lot of people needs online courses to enhance their skills, and they don't have a lot of time and money to waste on institutes. And there are a lot of examples of entrepreneurs on internet who generate millions of dollars by selling their courses online. If you are a graphic designer, for example, or programmer, create digital products. Like as a designer, you can create stock graphics, t-shirts and other reusable design templates. As a programmer, you can create web templates, plugins, and as an app development, you can develop apps and games and sell online to generate a passive revenue. And the most important thing is share your knowledge for free or paid, but deliver to other to make your knowledge long lasting. Our third way is blogging. Blogging is one of the best methods to generate passive income. If you start a blog immediately, you will get nothing. It needs 6 months or a year to generate income. You have to regular posting. You have to do regular posting, SEO, and write good articles. In start, you have to put effort on it, but once you stand your blogs and get a good traffic, then you will able to generate a good revenue on a monthly basis. Our fourth way is affiliate marketing, and this is also a best way to generate passive income. I'll simplify the concept of affiliate marketing. For example, you are joining the Amazon affiliate program and choose a product. For example, you are selecting a camera and you have traffic on your blogging site. You just start promoting that product and getting some sales. You will get some commission from that sales. So there not only Amazon offering affiliate marketing program, there are many other platforms that offering affiliate marketing program. You may join them, but Amazon affiliate marketing is good one that I prefer. And there are two methods through which you can start affiliate marketing. Number 1, if you have YouTube channel or blogging site, you just promote that product in your audience and get your commission if you generate sales. Method 2, you may run ads on Facebook or other social media to generate sales and get your commission. Again, affiliate marketing is a great way for passive income. Hope so this video will help you to increase your income. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.